In your part B, second chapter, that is called Nation Building and its Problems. Here in this point, we just listen about the concept of nation building. It means the process of development in all aspects. In a simple manner, this process of development in social, political, economic, and other aspects throughout then or nationwide development is called nation building. So, nation building is a process of overall development where all the people, all the citizens, they commit their support, their participation for the larger political and other progressive interests. In this chapter, we are going to learn the process of nation building. That means when the process of nation building started in India, basically the process of nation building was started in India in 1947, that is 15th August, just after independence. After independence, the process of building a new state or the process of development of India was started, and that process is called nation building. India needs a vital process of nation building because in 1947, in the month of August, India not only got independence but also the citizens and the whole world witnessed the division of India. For example, West Pakistan and East Pakistan from India, and development of a new nation as India. So it was the process of making new India more suitable. So first implies some points in front of the nation builders. That means those who at that time formed the process of nation building or tried to make the nation building policy, they faced some challenges. So these challenges in front of India, the challenges are: number one, at that time, the first challenge was how to shape a nation. As we know, before independence, there were many kings around India, and they subsequently ruled their own places. So it was really tough to make stable the population and unite themselves. Another point was in a diverse language and cultural place like India, where there are various types of religions are there, it was really impossible to make the policy or establish the policy of nation building. Another point India faced at that time, how to establish democracy, because most of the people are not aware of the political system. So it was really tough step for the nation builders and the people also. Next point, how to make the welfare of the nation, how to develop the welfare in every aspect like social, political, economic, and other areas. So here comes some problems, as we just find out. These are problems of nation building, and most of we know that. But as we know that India has a common belief, common history, common democratic setup, political aspiration, and the common development of all the people. So this makes India a nation, because India has most of the features to become a nation. So, after all these struggles, India established as a nation. So far as we considered all the political theories, India is established as a politically, economically, socially, and culturally developed state, as a nation with its full-fledged citizens who actually supported the political participation and also tried to establish a welfare society within India. So that's how India established as a nation. After seeing all the problems and after seeing the features of a nation, we find that India established as a nation, but as long as Jawaharlal Nehru also witnessed some problems. For example, when Albert Einstein asked Jawaharlal Nehru what was the main problem behind nation building, so Nehru replied to build a secular state in a religious society, and that was really tough. For that to be a good nation, for the establishment of a proper nation, Jawaharlal Nehru proposed the concept of secularism, and we also witnessed in the days of 1970s the word secular also added in our constitution and make India a secular state, and here every aspects of society, every religion of the society can practice and propagate their old religious practices. So in that case, we finally just implies that nationalism means the overall process of development, the process of development in every category, so that the people and the state can get maximum of its own. And nation building finally, India established as a nation because India wants to develop in all aspects, and really India did so in various aspects. And by all its aspects and features, India proved itself as a nation. And finally, we can say nation building is a process of overall development in every aspects of development, like social, political, cultural, and in other aspects also, to make a state more developed like India.